Germany is the largest economy in Europe. What does that mean? It means that there are quite a lot of job opportunities in Germany, one of the best countries that you can move to around Europe in terms of the job opportunities that are available, and the pay is quite well, and the cost of living is also good compared to other countries. The only downside that most people fear when thinking of moving to Germany is definitely the German language. There are English speaking jobs in this country, but the only problem is for you to be able to integrate well in the society, you at least need to know the basic German language. There are quite a lot of number and many opportunities, many visas that can land you into Germany. The most famous one, which is the employment visa, or the general employment visa, that is for skilled and skilled workers. And there's the EU blue card for also professionals and skilled workers, and there are quite a number of different visas. In today's video, I want us to focus on the general employment visa that will enable you to move to Germany. It is one of the most used visa that enables people to move to Germany. Remember also, you can move to Germany under other pathways like au pair that I've talked about on this channel before. But I want us to focus on the general employment visa that will enable you to move to Germany. I'll be telling you what you need definitely and how to go about the visa. I will be leaving links on places that you can find the jobs, and I will also be sharing my screen with you on how to navigate those websites. For you to be able to move to Germany under the general employment visa, you need at least to have a job offer. So definitely, when anything to do with a job offer, you'll have to hunt for jobs. You can use sites like LinkedIn, Glassdoor, Indeed. Those are the most known websites that you can apply for jobs from wherever you are. Other documents you need for you to be able to move to Germany under this visa, it is definitely your criminal record, the job offer. Once you've gotten your job, your employer will draft the job offer, the medical test, and this is what you will use to apply for your visa. Most of the time, most of the people do not know where to look for jobs, and that is where I come in. So there are very different websites that you can find job other than the ones that I've mentioned that are very common. The best way is to look for websites that are mostly in Germany, or rather recruitment agencies that are in Germany that can help you get visa sponsorship companies. And the reason why this is very important is because most of these agencies in Germany as itself, they will either tell you if a certain employer will give you visa or not. And remember, the work of mostly recruitment companies or agencies or recruiters is to connect employees to employers, or job seekers to employers. So let me share my screen with you. All the websites that I will share, I will link them on the description box so that at your own free time you may go through it. Please do remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, leave a comment if you have any, and like and share.